So now we're going to do the walkthrough video for Unit 1, Chapter 1, Lesson 2. So again, you're going to go to Modules here on the left when you get at the home page. And then we'll scroll down to Lesson 2, Creating and Sharing Documents. And we're going to go right to the Creating and Sharing Documents, the overview. And from here you can see what you're going to be doing here. Learning about creating and doing your first document in Google, and then you have one assignment, and that's it for this lesson, which is getting started with the Google Docs. So you're going to click Next because this is like a book. Here's those lessons in GCF Learn Free like we showed you in Lesson 1. You can either scroll through here and go through the lesson, or you can click this link right here. I'm going to click the link right there so that it stays open, so that I have that tab open if I want to refer to it. And then you would go through this and watch the video and go through the lesson all the way. It's going to show you how to do all the different things all the way down to the word continue. Once you get to the word continue, do not click it. Go back to Canvas here in the upper left and then scroll down and click the next button on the right hand side. This takes you to the assignment. This one is called Getting Started with a Google Doc. So you're going to click that and you're going to make a copy. And you can see I have 3 tabs open. So here's the lesson tab from GCF, and then here is my directions for my assignment. So it says open Google Docs, create a blank new file. So okay, I'm going to click a new tab, and I'm going to go to my Google Docs by just clicking over here to the right and choose Docs. So it takes me there, and then it told me to create a new Google Docs. So I'm going to click on here, blank. And there's my new Google Doc. It needs to have a name. So right here it says practice doc by, and then put your name. Okay, I can do that. So here's my tab. And I'm just going to practice doc by Kayla Fever. Okay, so there's my name. And I'm just going to follow all the directions. It's going to say click File, Page Setup. All right, so you're going to go File, Page Setup. And you're going to make the changes here that you need according to this document. Okay, so you need to do the page orientation, the margin sizes, and the page color. So it says click File, Page Setup, just like I showed you here. So here's where you're going to change the margins, here's the page color, and then here's where you're going to go to landscape. Okay, so you're going to do all those things. You can choose whatever color you want for your background here. And then I think it said 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. And there I'm getting set up. All right, just follow. Type your name and your last name at the top of the page. Hit the enter return 2 times. Type my favorite things. Hit enter 2 times. Click the numbered list. Here's the button. So you just got to read each step. And as you read each step, go back to that document and do it. And then come back. And then do the next number. And then the next one. Until you're done. Now down here it says you got to click the blue share button. Really important. Here's the blue share button. So when you click that blue share button, you have to change Share with Clark County School District. Got to click on that, and then that's your share button. Click copy link and done. If you don't choose to share with people in Clark County, then I won't be able to open it. Okay? So follow the directions. And when you're done, your document should look something like this. It should have your name, my favorite things, a list, and then that's where you're going to put your share. So it should look something like this. All right, I'm just going to quickly do this, and I'm going to, my favorite things, and then from here, you're going to use the numbered list. You're going to just click that. And then type in your favorite things, okay? And as you type those out, I like Disneyland, and you can like to go to Keith Urban concerts, okay, and etc. I like Star Wars, and I like Star Trek, okay, and I like guitars, obviously, and then I like to go fishing. So you can write a sentence out there. I just wrote these short. And then back here on this document, when you shared it, you need to copy this link, make sure it says Clark County, and when I click copy, then it wants you to paste in the link and hit enter. So it kind of looks like this, right? Except it's mine. Now you're done with that, now you're going to submit it. So you go back to the assignment, click Start Assignment, and because this is a Google Doc, I'm going to use Google Drive over here. So I'm going to click Google Drive, and the easiest way to search for something, because I have a lot of documents, is just type the name. So it has Practice Doc up here by Kayla Fever. At the top, I can see what I named it. So Practice Doc by Kayla Fever. And there it is, Kayla Fever. Today is the 15th. Yep, so I'd choose that one. You can see the date and time. And then I would click the Submit button down here. And there it is, Practice Doc by Kayla Fever, and click Submit. And then click OK. And there you go. You've done your assignment. If you want to resubmit because it's not right, then you can click New Attempt. All right, so here it shows it's submitted. And then I click Next. And hey, guess what? I'm already in Lesson 3. So that's the end of Lesson 2. Thanks for watching.